welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day, and I'm actually filming my first video with my new camera. I got a vlogging camera and it's a Canon G7X. In case you're interested, I saved up some of my YouTube money to be able to purchase it, so thank you guys for your support and watching my videos. But I will have a link down below if you want to check out this camera. I also have it in my Amazon store. I put all of like my YouTube equipment that I use in there, any of my favorite products, things like that, and I always have a link to my Amazon store below, so definitely check that out. But anyways, so today's video is a what I eat in a day, and this is gonna be a typical day. I usually eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner at home. One day a week I will allow myself to go to Chick-fil-A on Thursdays, and honestly, I haven't been there in a few weeks, but usually I will eat out at least once during the week for lunch, and then we eat pizza on Friday nights, and we usually order that. So other than that, we're usually eating at home. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys what we're eating, or what I'm eating today. And just FYI, I'm not the healthiest eater. I don't like count calories or try to do a special diet or anything like that. I'm pretty frugal, so I do plan out my meals and I try to get the best deals and things like that. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video and this real life what I eat in a day. So each morning I usually start out with a cup of coffee, and I usually do this before I take the kids to school and drink my coffee on the way to taking them. But on this day, I ended up waiting and getting my coffee when I got back just because I didn't have enough time. And I've been using the Kroger brand, the donut coffee blend, and it's pretty good. And also the Walmart donut shop blend is also good. And the only thing that I've been putting in my coffee lately is this Coffee Mate French Vanilla, and I just put a little bit, maybe like a tablespoon, and mix it all up. This morning I decided to eat eggs for breakfast, and I'm just going to scramble them up and put some cheese on top afterwards so that it melts, and that's what I'm gonna have for my breakfast with my coffee. A lot of mornings I will actually skip breakfast, and I know that's bad. I need to be eating it every morning, but sometimes it's just a little crazy and I don't get to eat until about 11 o'clock, and then I just consider that lunch. Alright, so for lunch today, I'm going to be making a taco salad because we had some leftover taco meat. So I decided instead of doing an actual taco, I'd make a salad out of it since we got some romaine lettuce this week. And I'm going to cut up some cherry tomatoes, put it on top, and of course some cheese. So this is some really good hot sauce, Cholula hot sauce, and this is the green pepper. So it is green, but it is so good. I put this on my tacos every time. And then I'm also gonna put some sour cream on top. Alright, so this is what my salad looks like when it is all ready. And you don't need a whole lot of the hot sauce because a little bit goes a long way. And you guys know that Cooper is going to be following me, especially if there's food. Right, buddy? And then with my lunch today, I'm going to have a Diet Dr. Pepper, and usually we have them cold, but Mine's not cold, so I'm just gonna fill up my cup with some ice. So yeah, this is my meal for lunch. It is so good. Make sure that you try that hot sauce if you haven't already. I promise you, it's so good. All right, so I'm, excuse me. All right, so I am about to go pick up the kids. So I'm just going to have a little snack in the car, and I'm just gonna put it in a Ziploc bag so that I can take it with me. And I'm gonna bring some water as well. So that's kind of like my afternoon snack. Sometimes I'll have a snack in the afternoon, and sometimes I'll just wait until right before dinner. I'll have a snack while we're cooking. All right, it is now dinner time. Kason's watching YouTube, and I'm about to cook. And change of plans, we are not gonna go to church now. Chance is not gonna be home in time. He had a case add-on later in the day, and I know you guys are gonna ask what he does. If you haven't seen my videos before, he is in medical sales, so whenever doctors get called in or whatever, he has to go into. So he's not gonna make it home in time for church, so we're just gonna go on Sunday morning instead. So I'm about to go ahead and cook dinner, and we're doing a garlic shrimp penne pasta, and it looks really good. I found this recipe on Pinterest, so I'm just gonna show you guys what all I'm using for my ingredients, and then kind of take you through the meal in case you want to see how to make it and what it looks like at the end. It looks really good, so hopefully it tastes as good as it looks. All right, so these are all of the ingredients that you're gonna need. So you're gonna need panko breadcrumbs, about a pound of shrimp deveined, and I got the deveined, peeled, and tail off. You're gonna want tail off or peeled too. A little bit of parsley. I got gluten-free penne pasta, some flour, chicken broth, minced garlic, a cup of milk. You're gonna need 3 tablespoons of butter. I got 2 Roma tomatoes. You could use whatever tomatoes you want. Parmesan cheese and mozzarella. And I'm gonna show you how to make it. All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is bring a pot of water to boiling so that you can cook your penne pasta. And then you're gonna take 1 tablespoon of butter, and we're going to melt it on here. I'm just gonna put it on medium. So we'll do 1 tablespoon of butter, and then I'm gonna put 3 cloves of garlic. All right, so then once that heats up a little bit and that butter is melted, we're gonna add in our shrimp. And then that's gonna cook for 4 minutes on each side for our shrimp. Maybe should have used a bigger pan, but I'm gonna let that cook and let my pasta cook, and I'm gonna cut up my tomatoes. All right, I'm gonna preheat the oven to 350. Okay, I put the shrimp in a bowl, it's done, and then it said to cook the next step in the same pot, but I thought I needed a bigger pan, so I have this one, and I just kind of poured the minced garlic and butter that was left over. And I'm gonna add the other ingredients now. right, so this is what it looks like when it's all mixed together, and now I'm just gonna add some panko breadcrumbs on top and pop it in the oven for about 5 minutes, and we'll see what it looks like. All right, and this is the final product. I just sprinkled a little parsley on top after it was done cooking in the oven, or pretty much just heating up a little bit more. And it looks really yummy. I'll let you know what I think after I eat it. All right, so I just got done eating, and I'm gonna be completely honest, it was not my favorite meal. I overcooked the shrimp, which you cannot do with any shrimp meal. If you've had shrimp, you know you can't overcook it or it's just not good. It was just a little too tough. And I just felt like it was missing something. I don't know what it was, but I just felt like it was missing something. I guess I was thinking it was gonna be like this grand Olive Garden meal, but it wasn't. I think it would be good with chicken though, so maybe, you guys are gonna laugh because everybody always says I eat tons of chicken, and yes I do, but chicken is something that you can cook a billion different ways, but I think it would have been really good in this, and maybe with some hot sauce. I love hot sauce on everything. So yeah, that was my day, or my what I eat in a day. And now I'm going to get to cleaning this kitchen, give the kids a bath, and put them to bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you are not already. And if you want to follow me even more, you can go to my Instagram account. It's at amy.darley. And I post videos and Insta stories over there. So, not videos, Insta stories and pictures over there. So definitely come hang out with me over there too. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.